Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a tank holding argon gas at a temperature of 601 degrees Celsius and a gauge pressure of 201 kPa. The gas is cooled until the final temperature is at 301 degrees Celsius. We want to find the final gauge pressure when the atmospheric pressure is 101 kPa. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknowns. Step 3, find the final gauge pressure formula. So it is the final absolute minus the atmospheric. So we're missing the absolute pressure. Step 4, find the final absolute pressure formula. So that's a typo. That's actually ABS. So P final ABS is equal to initial ABS pressure multiplied by the temperature ratio. Step 5, find the final absolute pressure. So everything's given. We make sure that we convert the temperature to Kelvin because it is absolute. Once again, that's a typo. That should be ABS. Okay, so we get 198.33 kPa. Step 6, find the final gauge pressure. So the absolute minus the atmospheric, we get 97.33 kPa. Disclaimers. The method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac or Linux, use the equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the Start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the Replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.